All right, what up, guys? This is the bed of my 87 square body. It's a project I started almost 2 years ago now.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think it is 2 years ago. It was really big at first, and then stuff happens. And there's the bed over here. There's the cab. It's sitting on its 38s. It's a huge truck. I had it all together. It was all running, and it ran really well. I just didn't like the frame and the cab and stuff like that. And everything was like, it just like needed a lot of like cosmetic work. And I found out how much it would be to pretty much rebuild the whole thing, and said screw it and started doing it. And it went well. Everything was like crazy out of the gate, and then like get busy. I got really busy, and
We did a lot when you first got it.
yeah.
Oh, we literally tore the whole thing apart.
Frame's all powder coated. It's got a brand new motor. All the whole suspension's powder coated, painted, everything. It's gonna be all brand new. You really can't see it, but it's in very good condition. I mean, like, these are original doors. I mean, you got a little rust down here. It isn't too bad. Definitely fix it. That bed is brand new. Like, literally brand new. I guess the guy bought it. I don't know where you buy beds at, but he bought it somewhere. And I believe him because it has stickers on it, like showing that like he just got
it. What the fuck's it gonna take? All the money in the safe. Can I even save grace? Barely got my own place. So I keep a fast pace like I'm running in a tight race. Oh shit, goddamn, pack the suitcase. Crush time on the road with a showcase. Call mine, but my heart's in a speed race. Fuck that, watch him do the shit in one take. I swear you won't ever see my son fade. No way, I'ma shine till my last day. Man, it's been 6 months since my last day. I ain't playing, I won't let the vision slip away. I ain't saying, I'm just saying it's the only way, so I gotta stay. Music gotta stay, it's the greatest escape. Once you on my tape, can't help relate. I don't care what you think, give a fuck what you say. I just like the bass pound with a blunt in my face. Only down all the tape, troubles away. But I ain't been high in a couple of days, so I guess I smoke with my homie Ace. Chilling out vibes always got me straight, but it's working on the music that's made me great. Minimize the doubt, block out the hate. Criticize me now, what you gotta say? That's what the fuck I thought. Y'all motherfuckers kick rocks. Y'all live the life I got. Y'all don't get to call these shots. I don't live inside no box, no way, not me. If I learn one thing, it's to live free. I understand that I am who I can be. Super saying I'm slaying on my enemy.
Alright, so this here is the frame. I had to do like it was bad only in like one spot. I don't know exactly where it was. Somewhere on here. Maybe it's the other side. But it's all powder coated now. I made sure I reinforced it. It's really not thin. There's the leaf springs. It's an 8-inch lift. The back is the worst part. I think that's normal on all trucks. Like the front is literally like brand new. And as you can see, it has been sitting here and acquiring all kinds of stuff. It's like a shelf now. There's the motor. Let's get over there, show them that. It's 355, small block, Chevy. It's very dusty, but everything is brand new. It's only ran not even an hour, really. I did Blue Point. Yeah, Blue Point heads. I don't know. I don't remember the cam. It's a Holley 650 double pumper. But it had a running, I think like 4 times. Seems like really healthy for sure. That was a beard.
Good.
Not bad. All right. So today what we're working on is the axles. I got all new ball joints, and I took them all apart. Got all new hardware. Trying to put a ball joint in it right now. If you're looking at this and I have it wrong, it possibly may be wrong. Don't go by what I'm doing here. I couldn't find anywhere. I finally found a diagram that I think is right on the way the ball joints go. I couldn't remember how they went. But yeah, I'm gonna put these on. I gotta paint the other one. I still haven't painted it yet. But that's what we're working on today. And hopefully we could get this on here for this video and maybe paint the other one. But here we go.
Alright guys, so we're just going to put this rear leaf spring on.
Try to at least.
Yeah, try to. We're gonna do this on the other side. We got it primered yesterday and the drive shaft, but it's kind of raining today, so we can't really paint it outside. So we decided we're just gonna do this instead. Just getting a shackle on right now.
Oh, in there. See, guys, this is what we keep running into.
Don't fit.
There's that right there.
We have been running into a lot.
Yeah.
It's
Like,
been really stopping us, really killing our vibe, you know?
yeah, walls and all kinds of stuff. Like, I just ran into a wall. Damn. Alright. I get something to get that out of there.
Boom, guys, we got it. Alright, there's that part.
Oh, did I put it on backwards?
Is it on backwards? Let's look at this side.
No, that's right.
I think you got it right. It's a beautiful powder coated frame.
She is pretty. Got a lot of junk around there.
Yeah, we got a lot of junk in the trunk.
Oh. Now, this is the fun part. Hanging it, not hanging up.
Now about to let it hang, you know?
Get the frame moving. Or you can't. Maybe a little bit. Alright guys, we just got the leaf spring on, all bolted up. And ready to go, really. That side, or hopefully that side of the axle will have everything together soon. It should be on. This is gonna be the end of the video. Yeah, there it is. It's coming together. I think it's gonna be nice. Hopefully. It's already better than what it was.
That's for sure.
Yeah.